Happy birthday, Danny! The sexiest love in the universe. You are the fattest and the most savage boss ever. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Shit Year while we are shooting shitballs at your house. Much love from the chickens, Deline and Stephen. Pow, pow.